In 2005, a probe probe made history, landing on Saturn's largest moon, Titan. Sent by NASA's Cassini spacecraft, the Huygens lander gave us our only close-up view of a world in the outer solar system. During its descent, it captured an image that scientists are still debating 2 decades later. Taken just 8 kilometers up, the photo reveals a network of branching channels, looking just like riverbeds on Earth. But Titan is far too cold for liquid water. So, what carved them? The leading theory is liquid methane. On Titan, methane acts like water, raining from the sky, flowing in rivers, and carving the icy ground. Huygens landed in what looked like a dried-up delta, on a surface of icy grains, with the texture of damp sand. The probe's 72-minute mission revealed a world rich in the organic molecules needed for life, but frozen in time. Now, NASA's upcoming Dragonfly mission, a flying rotorcraft, will explore dozens of sites on Titan, hoping to finally solve the mysteries Huygens left behind.